5 different ways single ladies could possibly, if not always, lose their husbands if they are not sensitive about that. So the first way that you're possibly going to miss your husband as a single lady is when you lack emotional and spiritual readiness. You may not understand how this works, but I'm going to explain that. Now, when you lack emotional preparation or readiness, it simply means that you are not ready. Maybe you have some baggages in your emotions, unhealed emotions. Like there's a lot of ladies that they are coming out of broken relationship or broken trust, and somehow they want to get into another relationship, believing that finding another man would heal them. Like I think I felt something like that when I was single, where I was just coming out of hurt or coming out of betrayal of someone I was in a relationship with, and I felt like I needed the healing so quickly. Like I just wanted to be fine, and of course, the only thing that makes me feel like I'm gonna be fine is to find another guy to confide in or to start feeling good like I have someone else. I just wanted someone to fill the space. And of course, that is exactly how you should feel once you come out from breakup or once you are hurt by somebody or you are out of the relationship. So some people would want to just get a new relationship just to show the guy that of course she's not the one who has lost out and all that. So you could actually have any reason for wanting to get into a new relationship with the baggages that you already have. But of course, you can't walk into a new relationship with unhealed emotions or some baggages that you borrowed from the other person. So you need time to to unpack those feelings, to do away with those things that you are coming out with or you got from the other relationship. And that, of course, if it is there, you may not know that it is there and is hidden. And when you walk into another person's life, or when the right man or the guy that is now meant to be with you walks into your life, he can't deal with you because, of course, there's going to be a rub off of what you have inside of you. Of course, in relationship, we exchange ourselves, we exchange communication, we exchange what we have inside of us. And of course, when you have unresolved emotions, that's when you begin to see acts of fear, and you just sometimes you just be unnecessarily careful. You could be using some statements, some words just to keep the person, or everything won't just be perfect, even though you think everything is all right, and you would even believe that you are the one that is kicking the right man away. So you are possibly going to be blinded by the whole emotions that you are not supposed to have, like the baggages that you borrowed from the past relationship, and you will be dealing with that while dealing with the right person when the right person is there. And of course, when the right person walks into your life, they want to connect with the right you. They want to really connect with the person that they came for. And if the person that they came for is already influenced by by a situation or a breakup or a hurt, it means that you're going to be reflecting a different personality from who you truly are. And of course, a husband would always come for a wife, and a wife is that personality that really suits into him for real. And when he looks for that personality and he doesn't see it and he's seeing a different thing, you are possibly going to lose that guy. You are possibly going to lose that man, because when a man walks into your life, he's simply looking for a woman to settle down with. And to settle down with you, he needs to believe in you, he needs to trust you, he needs to really see that this woman has what it takes to keep my life, keep my secrets, protect me, be in a relationship for real with me, and build something lasting. And this is a woman I can trust. But because of the baggages and stuffs, unresolved emotions, and unpreparedness and all that, he can't possibly trust you. And of course, you can't blame him for that. And because he's looking for something serious and he begins to find some unserious thoughts at that moment, he is going to walk away, and that is you losing the man that wants to marry you. So another aspect of emotional lack of emotional readiness is when you have low self-esteem. Like a lot of ladies do have that. Like you just have to believe that you deserve the best kind of man, like, even though you are not perfect. The point is that nobody is perfect. No woman is perfect. No man is perfect. You could be intelligent, but you don't have this. Nobody has it all completely. Yes, there are some ladies that could be better in some areas and all that. But marriage is not just about who is better at this and that. One thing about a man walking into your life and loving you is he may walk into your life and love something, just one thing about you that the other woman may not have. So it's not about beauty, it's not about your intellectual capacity, it's not just about the things you have, it's not money, it's not that, it's about what the person has seen in you and decided to stay with you. But of course, you're going to lose that man if you are battling with low self esteem. Low self esteem is when you don't believe that you have what it takes to have this kind of man. Because sometimes you could attract a wealthy man, maybe he's rich in knowledge, finance, anything that like he has, or he's so cute, handsome, and all that. And you'd be like, is it really meant for me? Can I handle this? Are you sure? That's low self esteem coming up, like talking, and you are scared, you are afraid. You don't believe that this guy can actually be yours. You don't believe that this is going to work for you. You think maybe he's better off being with some ladies who are going to play the perfect role, or some more perfect, more beautiful, or more excellent ladies and all that stuff. It doesn't make sense. So low self-esteem is actually some of the ways that ladies kick out the man that wants to marry them. So I don't think you should or you would want to deal with that. So you possibly have to believe in yourself. Believe that you deserve the best, even though you are working at, being the best or working towards perfection in life. So never battle with low self-esteem, because that is one way that ladies pick out the man that is coming to them, because men want you to be confident. They want a woman that is bold, a woman that believes in herself. That is, I'm telling you, if they really want to settle down with you, they're going to struggle with the fact that you don't believe in yourself. And if you are not believing in you, it means that you are inferior, and most men wouldn't want to deal with that. And the person could possibly walk away. For spiritual readiness, you must have at least discernment, ability to discern that this man is yours, and be able to, because when you discern that he is yours, that's when you will be open to commit the right way. So a lot of ladies, they lose their husband because they don't discern. They don't know whether this person is for them or for something else. Like, not every man that walks into your life is there for a husband, or to be a husband, or to fit into that space. There are some men that comes in to just be there for some time based on what they are coming in for, maybe for friendship or for a specific role, for a season and all that. Because of course, because you are not married doesn't mean you can't have male friends. You can have male friends who you don't have any emotional or romantic stuffs with.